I start out by moisturizing my face. I get pretty dry in the morning or overall in the winter break or winter. I get pretty dry in the winter, so I use this. I went to Hawaii and like I used that to hydrate my skin and it was freaking awesome. I had like my face was just highly burnt. I tried to, if you guys ever gotten your eyebrows microbladed, I would recommend avoiding your brows. Wash it with just water, but like avoid any interaction that's like exfoliation so you can keep the lifespan of your brows. Cool, so after I do that, I've been using e.l.f. Sunkissed booster potion, I think. What is it? Booster drops on my face. It's supposed to give you a radiant glow in the winter, so only 2 drops is fine. And it's not oily like at all. It dries pretty fast. It acts like a almost like lotion as well. It doesn't flake your like foundation if you are wearing foundation. Today I will be wearing foundation since I'm gonna have a long day and like BB cream is not gonna make it. I usually use BB cream. I use Maybelline Superstay and I'm gonna use shade Golden Doré. And we're gonna do 2 drops on our face. We can always build on. Going with a quick sponge. You guys, I took off my nose ring because it's like runny nose season. And no matter how much I try to clean it, it always like gives me keloids, like a bump on your nose. And I freaking hated that so much. It just makes me like feel like I'm not taking care of myself. And I mean, it's not cute having like that bump on your face, especially when it's like right in the center of your face. I do miss it though. So I bought, this is gonna sound hilarious, right after I took it off, I bought fake nose rings just in case if I miss it or like whatever, I can improvise. But I've been extremely satisfied being able to like wash my face without like having to, you know, like not touch my nose because of the whole like, you know, bump thing. Okay, does it look good? Okay, whatever. Make sure you guys get your neck. Before I put on concealer, I use my trusty concealer corrector. So like it makes your concealer even like whiter and brightens up your eye even better. Sometimes you don't need a lot, especially if you have like tan skin. I usually do my makeup like sitting down, but I had a brilliant idea that I should put my mirror, my like body mirror on top of my desk and make it like a huge like vanity desk. I'm very comfortable. Okay, I realized I'm gonna try and put like concealer on my nose because I have discoloring on my nose. I got burnt when I was a child, so like my nose has like this like strip right here and I don't like that at all. I usually just apply, like I just put my concealer on my face and I'm using this, my Face Studio. One of these days I'm gonna be able to set up my camera like in front of my face so you guys can like see what I'm doing better. Moving on, we're gonna do translucent powder. This is the color I use. It's actually like face powder. I'm gonna use this stick contour. We're also in a rush, so let us be a challenge for me to get the hell out of here and go to work. I'm gonna go on my nose. This gives it like a button nose effect. You can, I don't know if you can tell, but it gives it a button nose effect. Oh God, I don't know. I usually just go back with the foundation sponge and blend it out because it tends to blend out better. Blending is straight up an arm workout. not to an extent, but you can use it for everyday workout when you're not at the gym. Like you can count this as your workout, your arm workout. You see how intensely girls are doing? Like, I try, like if I have time, I'll try not to like wipe it off, but wiping it off is like the easiest thing. And then whatever I have left, I like put it in the corner of like my eyes to give like a hollow effect. Now, the translucent powder. So baby, what's it called? And like once you get in that crease, you just fan it out like that. Going in with Secret, this little guy right here. I'm gonna apply it all over my lids. I'm gonna use tape to make defined lines. Going forward, I think I want to go in with Raspberry from Jeffree, and I'm just gonna go in super thin, but it has to be universal. Like I can't have pop pink at my retail job, like just walking in. Okay, and then just with a brush, I wanna brush off the excess. So hold on tight because the stars is where we're going. Yeah, I love this part. Yeah. And then going in with blush, not to an extent, just right. Even though it makes you look kind of drunk, it makes you have like a flush effect. If you have highlight in your blush, I would not use that because then it's gonna bring out all your pores. Okay, so then going in with Snack from Jeffree Star with a highlighter brush, I'm just gonna highlight my cheeks. You know what's weird, you guys? I realized that I've been breaking out because I'm using face wash. I'm just the type to like not adapt to anything. I think my face is like soap, I don't know. So going in with primer, NYX primer, gonna be able to open this. I'm struggling. With a white liner, I need to stop looking at myself in the mirror. With a white liner, you just wanna go into your waterline. Let's just create this on the fly, bro. I kinda like purple, I don't know. I'm very interested in purple right now. Purple and pink, what do you think? Okay, we're gonna do it. I think purple and pink blends. Let's try to do that. Yeah, purple and pink blends, okay. And it's Bite Me on Jeffree Star makeup palette. And then you messed up. I don't want to take the purple away from the pink because you're supposed to put emphasis on the pink. But I did want to just fade out the purple. My eyes are smaller than the other, so my left is smaller than my right. So doing eyeliner sucks. Okay, I think that's good. And if you don't like it, you can go in with another thing. Click on Raspberry and outline your eyeliner, your powder liner. Okay. But if you're satisfied with it, leave it alone. I think it's even, but I could be completely wrong. Eyes like the one thing that I take the most, and because I have a hooded lid, so everything I do, when you have a hooded lid eye, your makeup isn't gonna show as much because hooded lids are folded skin on top of folded skin, and mono lid is just one layer, so you're able to see everything. And then you have double eyelids where it's just like, wait, how do you do this? Yeah, when they close it's like that. But hooded lid, when you open it slides up, when you open it slides down, and then when you don't, it slides up. Anyways, in with the first brush I use, and I want to fan it out because I don't want any harsh lines. I think it's gonna look all better when I put on I think it's gonna, oh Jesus. I think it's all gonna look better when I put on lashes. So I want like a light pink like vibe on my inner corner. So I'm gonna go in with Daydream. You already did it? I'm gonna go to my retail job looking like a unicorn. This is my roommate, Amory. Okay, we're still on time. With the hooded lid, I usually press my lashes up so then it can stand up instead of having my eye skin, is what I call it. To have it down, because I know this side of my eye droops down. The way I check to see if it's right, I just like kind of push it up to see if I can feel any air going on my skin. Most of the time your glue is not gonna stick well to your lid because of all the powder, you know. Glue sticks better to like a blank, like on regular skin, not with powder. It just makes it go right off. That's like the best I can do. So if I was to look at you directly into the camera, this eye is always drooping down. My face is like kind of going towards that way. So my eyes are never even with my eyelashes. And I lost my dog. So I don't know why, but I'll take what I can get. But yeah, that's the finishing look. So I'll show you guys. One more, I probably have to go in one more time with the glue and like glue the front of my eyes, but I also don't want to do too much, because then if you blink and you glue the top too much, then it's just gonna it'll be a total mess. I'll be right back. I'm gonna curl my hair and show you guys the finishing look. That is my finishing look. I really appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.